welcome viewers. Welcome to my channel Icon Technology. Please subscribe my channel. New video content for HTML and CSS, linking for new content, website design, and the HTML, CSS language, HTML and the CSS for new website present. তো ভিউয়ার্স, কথা না বাড়িয়ে আমরা আজকে দেখব কিভাবে একটা নতুন ওয়েবসাইট ক্রিয়েট করতে পারি। সেই জন্য আমরা প্রথমে this website page the template and design for the new video website. This on file setup, this new folder create now, and new folder text document open file as the new save as let new text documents open the new text documents open file and save as for the file name index.html save as for after a file save as style.css style file name style.css and save style.css this index and style.css for the open browser the software, open the software, and this coding, this for doc type HTML, and this HTML this drive class main area and second drive body main area. First drive main area, this website and wall body main area location, the in second drive body main body area. This the big web template. This design body. This after the template web page. The shadow, the size or width up. And then for CSS file, open as desktop, style.css, open first CSS command star second bracket and margin dot 0 auto padding dot 0. This element or others the grab the escape note the element or tag. This the borderline and no other side the cross. This margin dot 0 auto padding dot 0. HTML and CSS the link mat this CSS link hyper style.css this link hyper style.css type. This type text CSS hyper reference the style sheet. This for CSS link and HTML CSS link and HTML CSS link and HTML. Okay, this for next class and website design. This CSS and HTML wall design setup the element of coding.